A warm greeting to all. I am Dr. Jabash Samuel, Associate Professor, Department of EEE, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. So today we are going to discuss the topic, the basis of phase control rectifier. So what do you mean by rectifier? Rectifier is a device which converts AC voltage into DC voltage. So rectifier is further basically classified as uncontrolled rectifier and controlled rectifier. So during the designing or construction of converter, we preferred diode. The output voltage cannot be controlled, then it is known as uncontrolled rectifier. For the construction of rectifier, if you preferred MOSFET or SCR or IGBT like other semiconducting device, the output can be controllable and the rectifier is said to be controllable rectifier. Okay, so basically rectifier are classified based on three categories. First of all, based on the input supply, which are classified into single phase rectifier and three phase rectifier. Based on the quadrant operation, the rectifier are classified into first quadrant converter or first semi converter, two quadrant converter or full converter, four quadrant converter or dual converter. Then based on number of pulses, which are classified into one pulse converter, two pulse converter, three pulse converter and six pulse converter. So how the rectifier can be classified based on number of pulses? What is the pulse generation? For each cycle, how many number of pulses are created to trigger a single SCR or n number of SCR or set of SCR. Okay, that is the classification based on number of pulses. So in general, the rectifier are classified into two: voltage source inverter or current source inverter. So what do you mean by voltage source inverter? The input side to the inverter, if the voltage is maintained constant, said to be voltage source inverter. So these are some application of rectifier. So rectifier are used to convert the AC to DC. Wherever DC voltage required, the application is very important. So which is used in DC motor speed control, the DC supply provide for inverter, then electrochemical process, then DC traction, HVDC transmission. Okay. So based on this category, rectifier are briefly classified into single phase half wave rectifier with R load, RL load and RLE load. So what do you mean by RLE load? Resistance, inductance and back EMF. So which is nothing but it is a motor having resistance, motor having inductance and motor having back EMF, like single phase full wave rectifier with various load and three phase half wave rectifier with RL load, like three phase full wave rectifier with various load.